PrizePicks. What are the standard payout rates in PrizePicks? If you've been wondering what the standard payout rate in PrizePicks are, these are simply the list. So, on the help page, they say for power play, and there's power play and flex play, right? For power play, all picks must be correct to win. So, 6 pick win equals 37.5 times the entry fee. 5 pick win equals 20 times the entry fee. 4 pick win equals 10 times the entry fee. 3 pick win equals 5 times the entry fee. 2 pick win equals 3 times the entry fee. That was for power play. Now for flex play, lineups can still win even if 1 or 2 picks are incorrect. So 6 out of 6 correct equals 25 times the entry fee. 5 out of 6 correct equals 2 times the entry fee. 4 out of 6 correct equals 0.4 times the entry fee. 5 out of 5 correct equals 10 times the entry fee. 4 out of 5 correct equals 2 times the entry fee. 3 out of 5 correct equals 0.4 times the entry fee. 4 out of 4 correct equals 5 times the entry fee. 3 out of 4 correct equals 1.5 times the entry fee. 3 out of 3 correct equals 2.25 times the entry fee. 2 out of 3 correct equals 1.25 times the entry fee. And this is for flex play. So this is the standard payout rates on PrizePicks. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.